Many seniors start noticing small memory problems after 60, misplacing keys, forgetting names, walking into a room, and forgetting why you went there. And most people are told that's just aging. But here's the warning many doctors are now talking about. Some everyday foods, including one very common fruit eaten daily by millions of seniors, may quietly worsen memory problems when eaten the wrong way. The real danger isn't that the fruit is poisonous. It's that repeated blood sugar spikes and poor evening food habits can slowly affect brain health over time. And the shocking part? Many people eat this fruit believing they're making a healthy choice. Tonight, a doctor explains which common fruit may be harming memory when overused, and 5 fruits that actually help protect brain function as we age. Stay with us because one small change in your daily fruit habit could help protect your memory for years to come. Before we continue, tell us in the comments below, how old are you, and have you noticed small memory changes in recent years? Do you sometimes forget names, misplace things, or walk into a room and forget what you came for? These experiences are very common after 60, but many seniors wonder whether memory changes are normal aging or something they should pay attention to. We read every comment, and your experience helps others realize they're not alone in facing these changes. And if you want more doctor-explained tips to help protect memory and brain health as you age, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss future guides. Now let's understand why memory decline is more connected to daily food habits than most people realize. Before we reveal the fruit doctors are concerned about, it's important to understand why food choices matter so much for memory after 60. Your brain uses a large portion of the body's energy every day, and it depends on stable blood sugar and healthy blood flow to function properly. When blood sugar frequently spikes and crashes, it can lead to inflammation and stress in brain cells over time. Research now shows that repeated high sugar intake and poor metabolic control are linked with faster cognitive decline and a higher risk of memory problems as we age. Many seniors believe memory loss is unavoidable, but doctors now understand that daily habits, especially food choices, strongly influence how the brain ages. So the issue isn't just what you eat, but how often and in what amount certain foods are consumed. Now let's talk about the common fruit many people eat every day, not realizing it may be hurting memory when eaten the wrong way.
The warning fruit. Bananas. Healthy fruit, but problematic when eaten the wrong way. The fruit doctors most often warn about in this context is bananas, not because bananas are unhealthy, but because they are very easy to overeat, especially for seniors trying to eat healthier. Bananas contain natural sugars and are quickly digested, which can cause rapid blood sugar increases, particularly in older adults with prediabetes or diabetes. Frequent blood sugar spikes over time are linked with inflammation and increased stress on brain cells. Take George, a 72-year-old who started eating 2 or 3 bananas daily, believing they were helping his energy. But his blood sugar readings kept climbing, and his doctor later explained that large daily portions could be working against his memory and metabolic health. The issue wasn't bananas themselves. It was eating them too often or in large amounts. For seniors, bananas can still be part of a healthy diet, but usually in moderation, not multiple times a day. Memory support fruit. Number 1, blueberries. Brain protective, but only when eaten the right way. Doctors often call blueberries one of the best fruits for brain health because they contain powerful antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and support healthy blood flow to the brain. Research suggests regular berry consumption is associated with slower cognitive aging and better memory performance in older adults. These compounds help protect delicate brain cells that become more vulnerable after 60. But here's the common mistake. Many seniors eat blueberries in sugary desserts, muffins, or sweetened yogurts, which cancel out many of the benefits by causing blood sugar spikes. Linda, a 69-year-old who thought blueberry muffins were helping her brain. Once she switched to plain blueberries with unsweetened yogurt, her blood sugar levels improved. The issue wasn't blueberries. It was how they were being eaten. For seniors, a small handful of fresh or frozen blueberries as a snack is far more beneficial than blueberry-flavored sweets. Memory support fruit, number 2, avocado, healthy fats for the brain. But easy-to-overuse doctors often recommend avocado for aging brains because it contains healthy monounsaturated fats that support blood flow and help nourish brain cells. Good circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients the brain needs to maintain memory and thinking ability. Avocados also contain nutrients like lutein and vitamin E, which help protect brain and nerve cells from age-related damage. But here's the mistake many seniors make. Because avocado is considered healthy, some people eat large portions daily without noticing the extra calories. Over time, weight gain and poor metabolic control can negatively affect blood sugar and brain health. Take Michael, a 71-year-old who began eating a full avocado every night. Months later, his weight increased, which affected his blood sugar levels and energy. The issue wasn't avocado itself, it was portion size. For seniors, a few slices or about a quarter of an avocado per serving usually provides benefits without excess calories. Memory support fruit, number 3. Apples. Everyday fruit. That helps the brain, when not turned into sugar. Apples are one of the most commonly eaten fruits among seniors, and when eaten properly, they can support brain health and memory. Apples contain quercetin and other antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect brain cells from oxidative stress linked to cognitive decline. They also provide fiber, which helps slow sugar absorption and supports more stable blood sugar, an important factor for protecting memory over time. But here's the common mistake. Many seniors don't eat whole apples. They drink apple juice, applesauce with added sugar, or apple desserts. These forms remove most of the fiber and cause rapid blood sugar spikes, which work against brain health. Take Susan, a 74-year-old who drank apple juice daily thinking it was healthy. Once she switched to whole apples with the skin, her blood sugar readings became more stable. The issue wasn't apples. It was processing and added sugar. Memory support fruit number 4. Oranges supports brain circulation. But timing matters. Oranges are well known for vitamin C, but many seniors don't realize how important this nutrient is for brain protection and blood vessel health. Healthy blood vessels help maintain strong circulation to the brain, which supports memory and mental clarity. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, helping protect brain cells from damage caused by aging and inflammation. But here's the mistake. Many seniors drink orange juice instead of eating whole oranges. Juice removes fiber and concentrates sugar, leading to faster blood sugar spikes, especially when consumed daily. Robert, a 70-year-old who drank orange juice every morning believing it was heart healthy. His doctor later suggested switching to whole oranges, which helped stabilize his blood sugar. The issue wasn't oranges themselves. It was drinking them instead of eating them whole. For seniors, eating one whole orange provides better benefits than juice, thanks to fiber and slower sugar absorption. For seniors, eating one whole orange provides better benefits than juice, thanks to fiber and slower sugar absorption. Memory support fruit. Number 5. Pomegranates. A powerful brain protective fruit, but often consumed the wrong way. Doctors often recommend pomegranates for brain health because they contain strong antioxidants known as polyphenols, which help protect brain cells from inflammation and oxidative stress linked with memory decline. Research suggests that these compounds may support blood flow and help protect areas of the brain involved in learning and memory. But here's the common mistake. Many seniors consume pomegranate in the form of sweetened bottled juice, which often contains added sugars or concentrated fruit sugars that can raise blood sugar quickly. Take Helen, a 73-year-old who drank packaged pomegranate juice daily believing it supported memory. After switching to small portions of fresh pomegranate seeds, her blood sugar readings became more stable. The issue wasn't pomegranate. It was the sugary processed version. For seniors, a small portion of fresh seeds or diluted unsweetened juice is far healthier than sugary bottled drinks. Before we finish, it's important to understand something many seniors overlook. Sometimes memory decline isn't caused by one food, but by daily habits that slowly strain the brain. Many older adults snack on sweets late at night, sleep poorly, move less, or drink too little water during the day. These habits can lead to unstable blood sugar, poor circulation, and reduced brain recovery during sleep, all of which affect memory over time. Take James, a 75-year-old who blamed aging for his forgetfulness. But once he improved sleep habits, reduced sugary snacks, and started daily walks, his focus and memory improved. The issue wasn't age alone. It was daily habits working against brain health. For seniors, protecting memory means combining smarter food choices with better sleep, movement, and hydration. So here's the key message. Memory changes after 60 are common, but they are not only caused by aging. Daily habits, especially how we manage blood sugar and choose foods, play a major role in how the brain ages. Eating fruits rich in antioxidants and healthy fats can support brain cells and circulation, but only when portions are balanced and fruits are eaten in their natural form. The goal isn't to stop eating fruit, but to choose wisely and avoid excessive sugar intake that can slowly strain brain health. And remember, protecting memory also depends on good sleep, movement, hydration, and regular mental activity, not just diet alone.